campers?
What's up, everybody?
So, we're on another adventure. This one's a little bit different though because we are not have any kids or a camper behind us.
Nope, it is just us.
So, we are headed up to Sioux City. But first, before we get there, we have a small stop in Omaha.
So we're being hosted by Sioux City for the long weekend. We're super excited to explore all the art scene that they have there, check out the local foods.
Including the loose meat sandwich, which was basically created there.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. It looks like it's going to be just us, so we're going to be able to really get through some stuff, and I'm excited about that.
For sure. So we've been driving all day. We've got about 2 hours left before we hit Omaha for the night.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we'll be off to Sioux City in the morning.
All right. We'll see you in a few.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we made it to Omaha. We are at our hotel for the night. We're staying at the Country Inn and Suites, actually in Council Bluffs, so it's on the Iowa side. We ate dinner at a very authentic Mexican restaurant called El Rancho, I think. I'll put some clips in here, but we had amazing tacos, and they were rated the best tacos in Omaha, so you know we had to check it out. Yeah, so we are going to get some rest, and then in the morning, we're going to go check out the old market, Bob the Bridge in Omaha, and maybe get some ice cream. And then we are off to Sioux City for the weekend, so we will see you then.
We are in downtown Omaha.
Yep.
We found, not that we discovered it by any means, but like there is 9.6 acres of like this awesome play park. They call it a mall. I haven't really seen too much of the mall piece, but it is fantastic.
Yeah, so there's slides. There's like the pond behind us. There's a big digital screen. Lots of seating area. I guess in the summertime they do like concerts. In the winter there's Christmas lights and stuff, so it's really, really nice.
I mean, there's workers out here. There were people wiping down the trash cans.
Yeah.
Like, they seriously have poured a lot of money into this, and it shows.
Yeah, so right in the heart of downtown, right near the old market. We were walking around there this morning and came over to here, so super easy to get to.
Yeah.
Very family friendly and good for a morning walk.
Also, I love it. So there is that.
Yeah.
And slides for adults.
Right.
All right. So now we're done here in Omaha. We don't have much time. We just know we like it.
Yep, it's very nice.
We walked around the district and all of that. So now we're headed on to Sioux City. We will see you there.
Hi from Iowa.
I'm still in Nebraska. I don't think this long distance relationship's gonna work.
So we're out on the middle of Bob the Bridge, in the middle of I think this is the Missouri River. And this is like the borderline between Nebraska and Iowa. So pretty cool. We're in two states at once.
Yeah.
This is also a national park, visitor center and location for the Lewis and Clark Trail, I guess. I didn't know that, so also very cool. You can get Junior Ranger stuff here, so keep that in mind for your kids.
Other than that,
Now it's time to go to Iowa.
Further into Iowa?
Yeah.
I'll let you. I would like to make another long distance relationship joke, but
Okay. Well, I'm going to Iowa.
we're just many states apart at this point.
I'm going to Iowa. Bye.
Well, that works out. Let's go to Sioux City.